How to create custom product options for customizable products in Shopify store. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom product options on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, then tap onto online store, then tap onto themes option, or then you have to copy your product from here, like your theme product. As you can see, I have already copied one. Now let's go and customize it. We copied the code because if we make any other mistakes, we can copy the duplicated theme page and then use it again. So now you have to tap onto this announcement bar. If you also, you can tap onto these header options or feature collections. You can tap onto add sections, and by tapping onto add sections, or at the top of the screen you can see this home page right here, and then from you have to select this product option right here, and then you have to tap or search for, and then you can tap on to create a template. You can enter the name of the template and product template and tap on to create template easily. And from there, for example, this one here, you can see this product information. If you don't see this information, then tap this little arrow icon here, and then from there you can just simply make it. Then tap on to add section, or you can just simply tap onto custom liquid here, or you can tap onto add section, and from there search for custom liquid. Here you can see this custom liquid. So there we go, you can see this option here. Okay, so here is the custom liquid option. Then you have to paste this code. Let me wait. Now you have to paste the code. I just showed you. Wait, let me paste. Then you just have to paste this whole code here. Just paste the whole code, and by copying the code, just paste it over here. Just tap onto add section, then tap onto custom liquid and add custom liquid from here, and then tap onto it and enter the liquid code from here, and then save it up. And there we go. So this is as simple as that. This is how we can do it and add custom. So this is how you can do it. Now you can change the color scheme. You can use this custom CSS and etc., and you can customize them according to your need, and then lastly save it up. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.